Hello everyone, welcome to Oracle Tutorials. Today we are going to talk about conversion functions, to date, to number, to char. Conversion function, data type conversion, we have implicit data type conversion, we have explicit data type conversion. Implicit data type conversion, in expressions, the Oracle server can automatically convert the following: varchar to or char to number, varchar to or char to date. Implicit data type conversion, for expressions evaluation, the Oracle server can automatically convert the following: number to varchar to or char, date to varchar to or char. Explicit data type conversion, we can convert character to number, number to character. We can convert character to date, date to character. Using the toChar function with dates, toChar syntax, toChar, date, and this is the format modal. The format modal must be enclosed within single quotation marks. It should be enclosed within single quotation. Is case sensitive, can include any valid date format element, has an FM element to remove padded blanks or suppress leading zeros, is separated from the date values by a comma. Elements of the date format module. Element YYY is the result will be full year in numbers, year spelled out in English, two-digit value for the month, full name of the month, MON, three-letter abbreviation of the month, DY, three-letter abbreviation of the day of the week, day, full name of the day of the week, DD, numeric day of the month. Elements of the date format model. Time elements format the time portion of the date, HH 24 minute second AM. So we have like let's say the clock format is two format. One is 12 format and one is 24. So it's going to be 15:45:32 p.m. Add character string by enclosing them within double quotation mark. So DD of month. So it says 12th of October. DDSPTH is 14. This is like number suffixes spell out numbers. So you can, with this DDSPTH, you can spell out the numbers. Using the toChar function with dates. Example, select last name. Let's say the hire date is date. So if you want to convert it to character, so you can apply the format FMTT month YY as hire date from employees. Let's see the example. Here, King hire date is 17 June 2003. So what is FM before DD? It is going to, as I said, it is going to, where is that? Remove party blanks or suppress leading zeros. So it will not allow zeros before the 3. This is like 3rd January 2006. Using toChar function with numbers. toChar number, and this is the syntax format model. These are some of the format elements that you can use with the toChar function to display a number value as a character. Let's say 9 represent a number, 0 forces a 0 to be displayed, $sign, place a floating $sign, L, use the floating local currency symbol, dot, prints a decimal point, comma, prints a comma as a thousands indicators. Using toChar function with numbers, select toChar, salary is number, so we can use toChar function with numbers. 99, comma 99.0. So we are going to display the salary in this format. Salary from employees where last name Ernest. So we have, like, if you don't use this format, let's see what is the salary. Select salary from employees where their last name. It will display like 6,000. But what happens if your supervisor say, so this is not a professional report by displaying the salary. So he wants in this format. So in that case, you have to use Tucker and then apply the format model for the salary. Then it is going to be displayed like 6,000. If we use this formula, it's going to display more professionalized 6,000. Using toNumber and toDate functions, convert a character string to a number format using the toNumber function. This is the syntax toNumber, and you're going to convert the character, and this is the format model. Convert a character string to a date format using the toDate function. So toDate, and you are going to convert the character to toDate, and this is the format model. These functions have an fx modifier. This modifier specifies the exact match of the character arguments and date format model of a toDate function. This is the example. To find employees hired before 1990, use the AR date format, which produces the result whether the command is run in 1999 or now. Example, select last name, Tucker, and you're going to convert the hire date, which is date. Tucker hired it in this format. DD is the day, MON is the month, YYY is the full 4 digits of the months. From employees were hired to date, and you are going to change the character to the date, January 1990s, and in this format. So we don't have any number. It is 1990s. Let's say 81. All right, we don't have in this one. So here, select last name, Tucker hired date, DDMON, YYY from employees were hired date to date is were hired this and are equal to date 7 December 2007 in this format. So this is that. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and see you in the next video.